Demonstration, we are going to understand how we can export our Android application to APK file. So we'll go to the project here. This is our location app. Within the location app, you can go to build and you can go to generate signed APK. Let's click here. To generate signed APK, you need to have a digital signature. We are going to create a new signature at the moment. Let's say I'm going to create my signature at a location. I'm going to go to my desktop directory. Let's say within my users directory, within my Devanshu, or what we can do is we can go to desktop as well. Here you can go to the desktop directory directly. And let's say we are going to create a file with the name. Let's say we are going to create a key with the name Parimal. And extension will be JKS, that is Java Key Store. Let's click OK. So a file will be created, that is your digital signature, and nobody can sign any application with your digital signature. So in order to ensure that we have a password available, you can set a password on your JKS file, ABCDE12345. So I have set a simple password like ABCDE12345. I want to put an alias name. Alias name could be name of your company or your organization. So I have just given in another name, and name of the company is Acqueda. I have set the same password ABCDE12345, ABCDE12345. Okay. Now minimum this signature will be valid for 25 years. Let's say name is Parimal Garg. Let's say we'll write something like this. Organizational unit is VMDD Technologies. Organization is Acqueda. Let's say city is Delhi. State Delhi. Country code 91. So your digital signature is ready. You can click on OK and your digital signature will be made. So once your digital signature is made, now what you can do is you can click on next. You can provide your password ABCD12345 which you have just set, and now you can export your APK file in the app directory within this location, and that type will be release type. So let's click on finish, and now you can see that at the bottom Gradle build is running, and within my C drive in location app within the app directory a new APK file will be generated. This APK file is a redistributable file. Anybody can use this file, anybody can download and directly install, and once the file is installed it can be tested. Yes, so we are waiting for this Gradle build. The Gradle build is running at the moment. Now what next? You can see here the APK file is generated, and you can directly from here you can view that in Explorer. So once you click to view in Explorer, you can see that your file APK has been generated and signed successfully. You can click show in Explorer and it will take you to the directory where your application has been released. So it has been released in your C location app directory, and name of the app is apprelease.apk. We can quickly rename it to anything like location app.apk, and we can transfer this APK file to a user. So now what we can do is we can simply connect this to a device and we can copy that. Now the device is ready and we are going to get the phone mounted here. So you can see that we have got Micromax A092 mounted here. We can copy the location app.apk into the phone directory. Within the phone storage, we can put that in the download section, in the document section, or wherever you want to copy. If you want to put that directly onto the memory, you can simply copy it at outside as well. So this is how you can simply copy your application from your computer to your mobile device, and then you can use your location, your file explorer, and you can search for the file and you can test the file.